Mortise strike installation. Mark center of strike. The door preparatory specification sheet will help determine the proper location of the strike. The distance from the face of the door to the center of the lock should match the distance from the edge of the jamb to the center of the mounting screws on the strike. For a 1 3/4 inch thick door, the center of the lock should be 7/8 inches, and the center of the strike should also be 7/8 inches. If the lock is not centered in the door, extra care should be taken to align the location of the strike with the lock body location. Marking the strike. The center of the strike height should be 3/8 of an inch above the center of the mortise lock. Once the specifics have been figured out, mark the center point of the strike at 3/8 above the center of the lock and 7/8 from the edge of the jamb. Remove the weather strip. Mark the outline of the strike. Locate and drill holes. In order to lay out the mortise for the dust box, mark the holes at 11/16 and 1 3/8 inches above and below the center line. Drill the 5 holes with a 1-inch bit to a depth of 1 3/16 inches. Use a chisel to clean up the mortise for the dust box. Then mortise in the strike. Drill the pilot holes with a Vicks bit or any other self-centering drill bit. Install the strike and dust box. Mortise jamb and complete installation. Once the strike is complete, check to make sure all the hardware works properly before closing the door. After checking all the operations, shut the door and the strike to ensure that everything mates up.